Tisha, don't change the topic. Oy, don't sleep. I'm sleepy naman kasi look at that. My life has no ano. There's a few people, so yeah, I feel sleepy. I feel lazy to, shout out, but there's a few people there. Only you and Robbie and yeah, two people. So better to sleep so that tomorrow I am fresh. I'm not feel haggard. So better to sleep and live my life on. Am I right? Better if there's many people on live so that I can shouting out. I did not feel sleepy. But if it's like this, no people on my live, I feel so sleepy. Oy, nawala! Putik na yan. I'm always in your heart. Uy. You know how to speak Tagalog na. Thank you, my friend. Vlogging with Venko. You're still there. You can connect, guys. Robbie and my friend Venko. You can connect each other. Oh, hi. Thank you, guys, sa pagpunta dyan sa aking live. Okay, and I'm sleepy. My friend Vinko, I am watching your bahay. Your bahay. And also my friend Robbie, I am watching your mukbangers. Prasad, also I am watching you. Prasad has no channel. Right? Hello,